Howdy folks, in this quick video and review we'll go ahead and take a look at the SJRC S-Series S30W drone. This is a new drone that they just released. For me, this is my first drone, and when I was looking at some drones, this one is sub $100 and it features GPS technology. Hopefully that's going to be better stability wise. So we'll go ahead and take a look at it here quickly, and then I'll go ahead and take it outside and hopefully get some good footage out of it. With this technology, with this drone, as I said, it is GPS, so it has or should have GPS return to home, follow me technology, draw the dot, and then critical battery return. It also has a 75-degree articulating wide-angle camera. In the specifications, I think the degrees of the video coverage is going to be about 120 degrees field of view, but then it should also go up and down, and that is the 75% reference that they're talking about. Let's go ahead and take a look at the actual drone itself. Looks like it's coming already all ready to go and assembled. So all the props and everything is attached. Here's the camera. And I'll just be careful with that. It looks like it is attached to a motor, so that is the 75 degrees reference that they're talking about. Looks like the battery goes here, and that's a spot for the SD card. It's obviously plastic, but feels very rigid. Alright, let's see what else comes in the box here. That's going to be the controller. I'll look at the instructions and then do a little more of a video about it, but it looks like standard 2 joysticks, and then we have 3 buttons here. That one's power. We have a couple more buttons, looks like 2 more buttons here, and we also have a charging port here for a mini USB or micro USB, and that is so we are able to so then the phone goes here, and that is kind of spring-loaded bracket to hold the phone. And that's how the control panel looks. I'll look at the directions before talking more about it. I don't want to get myself in trouble. Let's see what else comes in the box. That's the battery. It is a proprietary battery. At the time of purchase, I was trying to research what kind of batteries are coming with it. There was nothing online, so I was hoping it would have interchangeable battery that I can buy extras of, but this one was proprietary one, so I'll do some research and see. Hopefully I can buy some more of these, because officially I think it lists 8-minute flight time on this battery, which is obviously nowhere near enough if you're going to go out and do some drone flying, so hopefully there are going to be some batteries out there. We also have some props, extra props. Looks like a set of 4. And we also have a couple of screws or a couple of parts here, probably to hold the props, it looks like, the top of the props. I have a mini screwdriver there. So I assume it's all to service the props, those type of items. I'll look at the manual and get some more details out of it. We have the micro USB or mini USB cable for charging. And okay, that's the instructions for it, so I'll look at that here in a second. And then we'll get to, I think those are the landing pads for that. So that's what comes in the box. So here's a quick overview of the controller. With the left joystick we can control the altitude and also the rotation of the drone. This is the direction of where we wanted to fly that to. The center is for the power. Left is the return to home, and also if you press and hold, that's kind of the headless mode. I'll have to explore that once we're in flight. This is for takeoff and landing. Press 1 for takeoff, press it down again when we need to do the landing. And if we do quick 2 presses, it is the emergency mode, so it will actually stop all motors at that point. Within the control panel lights here, so here are the indicators. We have speed 1, 2, and 3. There is low, medium, and high. There is no indication in the manual how it correlates, so 3 slow and then 1 is high, or 1 is low and 3 is high. We'll figure it out, but we'll control that by pressing down on the left joystick. And then we have the indicators for power, the transmitter, video camera, follow me, GPS auto return, and the headless mode information. And on this side of the controller here, we can control the angle of the camera up or down. So angle up obviously will go up straight, and then pointing the camera down up to 75 degrees is this button right here. Here's the charge port to charge the controller. This is the follow me button, and this is the camera button. So if you press it once, it will take a picture, and if you press and hold, then it will go ahead. I think if you press and hold it for 2 seconds, then it will go ahead and start recording video. So that is the quick overview of the controller.
Alright, so with all the batteries charged up, ready to go and start flying, I'm going to do the actual flying demo part in a separate video. I know there are a whole bunch of folks that don't care about the unboxing videos, so that's why I'm doing the unboxing part separate, but I'll put the link in the description for the actual flight part of this SJRC S30W drone. And if you can, please do subscribe to my channel. It does help me quite a bit. Thanks for watching.